Hey, it's me, from the random group of bros, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a monkey call, not a monkey call, monkey crawl on a rip stick, and a drop and step on a rip stick. So this is the two most complicated ways to get onto a rip stick and start riding. But once you get it down, it will start to be a little bit easy. So, how you'd start, it's like this. Start running, then drop your foot, like that. But get on. So start running like that, then put your foot on, then run. So now I'll do it a little bit faster. And a monkey crawl. So put your two hands like this, start running like that, and then get on. Start with your front foot, then on with your back foot very quickly. Make sure you do it really quick, because you can easily slip. So be careful doing those two. For both of them, step on front for first. The drop and step before you drop it, while you're running like this. But remember to put your foot on before you drop it and stomp down. Then right away, once that hits the ground, put that foot on. So I'll do it now, speed mode, one more time for you. Yeah. So that was kind of a wipeout that I just did. But I'll do it a little bit first. And the monkey crawl is like this. So that's it for today, people. Hope you view this video, and just remember, don't try this if you're just starting ripsticking. Do it if you're a little bit more advanced at it and kind of know what you're doing on the ripstick. So, later.